Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting only the text whose background you want removed. This matters because Google Docs treats highlights and cell fills differently. Once done, inspect the toolbar. If you see the highlight marker icon, that's your quickest path. Make sure to also note whether the color comes from a table cell or the document page, because you'll use a different menu for those. If the toolbar is hidden, expand it or use keyboard shortcuts so you can proceed without guessing. Now remove the background. If it's a text highlight, click the highlight marker on the toolbar and pick None. This clears the color immediately. If the text sits inside a table, go to Table, open Table Properties, switch to Cell Background, and set it to None so the fill is gone. Once you've done that, run Format Clear Formatting or press Ctrl+// to strip any lingering inline styles. This ensures consistent text color and spacing after the background is removed. Finish by scanning the document to confirm all backgrounds are cleared. Scroll and reselect suspicious sections to verify. If color persists, copy the text, paste as plain text into a new spot, or use Notepad to strip hidden formatting, then paste back. Make sure the page color isn't set, File Page Setup Page Color, and remember browser extensions or odd clipboard behavior can reapply colors, disable extensions, or reload the doc and try again. That resolves most stubborn cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.